Hi, Youssef.
Hi, Yossef.
I'm so excited to know about your sink and float experiment. Are you ready to tell me about it?
Yes.
Yay! Okay, so the first question, why does an object float or sink?
An object can float if it has light weight and density, and it will sink if it has heavy weight.
Interesting. Does the shape of an object affect floating or sinking?
The shape of an object does affect its ability to float. There are boats called cargo boats. Although they are made of steel, they still float because they are more dense than water. But they have shallows, like empty spaces.
Can you tell me what is weight?
Weight is like how heavy the object is.
So what is density?
Density is the amount of substance in an object.
Okay, and did you figure out what is volume?
Volume is the amount of space that something takes up.
Tell me more.
For an object to float, it should have light weight, while for an object to sink, it should have heavy weight.
What about the materials you needed?
I needed digital balance, Lego cubes and Lego boat, aluminum foil, water container, sink, and float worksheet.
To write your observation?
Yes.
So, I think I'm curious to know about the procedures.
We designed two investigations, one using Lego boat and the other using aluminum foil. We started the experiment by weighing each boat on the digital balance, then putting each boat in water, and we noticed the following. Lego boat is heavier than the aluminum foil boat. The weight is measured by grams. Both boats are floating into water. We started adding Lego blocks to each boat, and every time we increased the number of blocks until both boats sank into water.
So, Youssef, what about the results?
For the Lego boat, sank after adding 6 blocks above it. The weight of the boat with blocks is heavier than the first weight, but not too much. The aluminum foil boat, the boat sank after adding 10 blocks above it. The weight of the boat with blocks is much heavier than the first weight.
What's your conclusion?
Increasing the weight of the object into water may lead it to sink because the water is no longer able to lift it up. The weight of the object shows if it sinks or floats. Also, the density of the object's material shows whether the objects sink or floats.
I bet you have lots of resources and references.
These are our references.
Perfect. Thank you, Youssef. This was awesome.